Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and review of a TOPK or TOPK power bank I just purchased on Amazon. This is a power bank which is declaredly a 20,000 milliamp hour battery and has the capacity to output up to 20 watts. So it's suitable for fast charging devices like iPhones, Samsung phones, and many other smartphone devices. So this is how it arrives from Amazon in packaging with a bit of cellophane around it. There was warning on the Amazon packaging to say that this had a lithium battery within it. So I'm going to take the cellophane off first. I still can't find my Jerry Rig Everything unboxing knife. I really need to find that because unpackaging things like these is quite a hassle. Now, packaging apart from the cellophane is pretty simple. It has a depiction of the product itself, the power bank at the front. It does tell you that it does 20 watt charging, it's a 20,000 milliamp hour battery, and that you can charge 3 devices at once. Right, I'll open up the white box that this is in, and here we have our power bank. Now the cable that comes with it is a simple USB-A to USB-C cable. This is great to see because 20 watt cables with USB power delivery are very handy for charging quickly. And the power bank itself is in a soft touch plastic bag. I'll open that up. There's nothing sealed in there. And here we have the power bank itself. Bit of branding for TOPK or TOPK at the top left hand side. The 20 watt quick charge 3 PD quick charge. So that's a lot of words there. So it's power delivery, quick charge 3 and quick charge. And then at the back we see there is a bit more details on the rating, which is 20,000 milliamp hours. What we're interested in is the output. It can output at 12 volt at 1.67 amps, so pretty much 20 watts there. And the USB outputs go up to 12 volt at 1.5 amps, so that goes up to 18 watts on standard USB. What does that mean? It means that we have a selection of ports at the front. So you see we have 2 standard USB ports, or USB-A ports, and we also have a micro USB in and a USB Type-C. And next to the power button we have a little LED screen, or a little LCD screen. Oh, there we go. So we see that it comes out of the box with a 79% charge. So what I'll do is, over the next few days, I will use this power bank and then get back to you with some first impressions, or a review, depending on how you put it. In terms of my usage, I will be charging things like my iPhone, my Android phones, tablets, and maybe even using it with an external torch or something like that to see how it performs. But for now, keep watching. If you do get an ad, please do watch that. That will support the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube, and we'll be back with our full review soon. Okay then, so we're back with the final bit of our review of the TOPK or TOPK 20 watts power bank, the 20,000 milliamp hour power bank. Now, I've used this for quite a few cycles at this point. It's been about over a week now. And I have to say, overall, it's a great power bank. It seems to take quite a large charge. In terms of charging speed, it charges to 100% in about 4 hours when connected to a 15 watt charger. So great overall performance in my experience. And it fast charges devices, both from USB-A ports and USB Type-C. But the fastest I've seen is using my Irvins or my Essiger cables with a reader, and it indicated that the output was in fact 20 watts. So as far as I can tell, everything is correct with regards to the spec sheet on this TOPK or TOPK power bank. I have now essentially put this in my backpack. It is my power bank of choice when heading in and out of Edinburgh. So good overall power bank. I can definitely recommend this. And as with many Amazon products, especially from a brand like TOPK, keep an eye out for special offers. We'll link in the description to where you can purchase this. If you do so, you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. But apart from that, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. For now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.